Hey everyone, I'm absolutely thrilled to share this moment with you, also very nervous. So in this box there should be my preview copies, the first 10 copies of my book that I've been writing for the last 2 years. And it's all been leading up to this moment. So I want to share it with you. Gosh, I'm so nervous. You know what? You open it. That's how I'm feeling. Okay, I'm going to do it. Let's do this. So, you ready? Okay, here we go. I can see a glimpse. Oh my goodness. So this is my book. It's called The Gift, One Woman's Journey from Tragedy to Building a Global Business for Good. And oh gosh, I just can't believe it. And all I'm feeling right now is total gratitude for everybody that supported me on this journey. My family, breathe. I want to thank Rethink Press, who have published my book, and everyone involved in the process. They've been so amazing, and all the people that have helped me along the way. Gosh, I'm a little bit overwhelmed, as you can tell. The book will be launching officially on the 14th of November, when it will be on a special offer for 2 days or 24 hours or something for 99p for you to download. So I'll be sharing that on the 14th of November. Gosh. Thank you again, and look out for The Gift.